Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. My name is Sean Kwasniak. I want to share this useful information with you. There is this organization called UNOPS, UNOPS. They posted a free vacancy, and the organization is looking for logistic assistants and job type full-time, job type contract, place of work. It is Addis Ababaa, Ethiopia. This job was posted yesterday on September 23, 2024, and the deadline will be October 3, 2024. So it means you still have 9 days left. The good thing about this, if you could simply go to the video description, you are going to find the link, and then it will take you to the website where you can upload your CV and you can send it to them. Very simple. Just try your luck. Okay, you don't know, you can be lucky. Just go there, you're gonna get all the information that you need. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Maybe you can help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.